year started, we were in 42 of the lower 48.
Okay.
So we grew a lot in the last 5 years.
Right.
Um, so in this warehouse, I have a mixture of product. I have oxygen 5-liter concentrators. I have Inogen portable concentrators, and I have KN95 masks. I have IPAP, which can be used in in emergency situations as ventilators. And I also have abundance of supplies, soft goods that you would utilize for, ventilation.
Right. How many KN95s you have in the building right
In this
this
building,
second?
I got 625,000.
Okay.
In the building next door, I got another 150.
Okay. So I'm gonna let some of my people know, that might need them. Some states are urgently
Yes,
need,
and
especially with
I
the
mean, I
spike
have
now.
them on the ground in here that we
Right.
can ship same day if need be.
Right.
I have 3-ply masks as well.
Right. How many 3-plies you got in the building?
The 3-plies, I got about 300,000 3-plies.
300,000 3-plies in the building on the ground here in the United States. So I'll certainly make the hospital groups as well as city and state municipality customers of mine know, even if they haven't put RFPs out, they may want them because they know that they can get them quickly.
We have all these soft goods for ventilators, but also I have over 800 oxygen 5-liter concentrators on the ground here, ready to ship at any time. These are made by DeVilbiss. It's the best concentrator on the market in the 5-liter variety.
Again, this is Leland Hardy bringing to you live July 17, 2020. But this date could be whatever date in the future because this is, we're here to stay, and this is not the traditional proof of life video where you get somebody to write on a piece of paper and indicate that they're in a warehouse. You're just showing a bunch of boxes. This is Leland Hardy again. Consider myself, or others consider me, America's secret weapon against COVID-19 material supply and sourcing, given my near 40 years of involvement in China, reading, writing, and speaking the language with native fluency. My staff on the ground in China handling all matters associated with sourcing, vetting of factories. We already have a network of FDA approved and CDC approved factories on China's white list for minimal delays in exporting, customs agents with expertise in shipping and handling. In fact, I'm going to meet a ship that left on June 30th to go out to the port in Oakland, California to personally follow the material to the distribution center for the city of San Francisco to make sure that they get their 12-month supply of much needed PPE as they're about to run out at the end of July. So this is what we do at this level, highest level of expertise and professionalism in this industry.
Also have ventilators up there, just like you saw at the other location. Trilogy 100, 2 per box. There's over 50 per pallet right here, ready to ship out, already packaged up. These are our refurbs, and our refurbs will also come with a passive circuit, power cord, and everything ready you need to utilize that ventilator straight out of the box. We do sell digital thermometers, infrared thermometers, as well as this unit I'm about to show you is the newest addition from Philips Respironics in the fight against COVID-19. It is their vent specifically. This vent right here is specifically made for COVID-19. Right here, Philips Respironics E30.
This is not your send a guy out, write on a piece of paper, proof of life type video. We don't do that. This is the real deal.
This is the E30 right here. And look, I got over 1,000 in the warehouse next door. I'll take you in to show you. But I want you to actually see the unit right here. Look, on the label right here. EUA ventilator for COVID-19, respiratory insufficiency device. This vent right here is designed purposely with COVID-19 in mind. Each ventilator of the E30 that you get also comes with a backup battery. and I have these ready for immediate ship. I have 1,070 on the ground in lab in my location that I could ship today. Also have multiple other locations around the country that we have that we could ship these out. We'll go over to the other warehouse where I have even more of those units. We get the key.
Again, here, Leland Hardy, July 17, 2020. However, this could be any day because this is not about showing a date and then the stuff isn't around a couple of days later. This is the kind of level of capacity that we have. This is an undisclosed location, but it's in the United States. We will ship the material. We have warranties on the product. We have copious amounts of product, thousands of units, hundreds of thousands on the ground right now. We can get millions of units of KN95, NIOSH certified N95 masks, as well as all other materials, face shields, whatever needs to be gotten to help in the fight against COVID-19. Going into the warehouse now.
Down here, each pallet right here, all these pallets like E30, ready to ship out, all down this entire road, and this row as well.
And these are the E30s designed specifically, labeled specifically, manufactured for the fight against COVID-19. So these would be considered the ultimate ventilators specifically manufactured in America and housed in here in America, ready to ship from America to hospital groups, municipalities, cities, states, and other end user buyers.
More 3-ply masks, more ventilator masks. I'll take you inside at our location we were just at in the other warehouse and show you even more supplies that we have for ventilation. If you want to come across right here, I got even more KN95. This is another 100,000 right here that just came in.
And it's, so in addition to what we have on the ground here, I have multiple direct factory relationships with my people on the ground in China, right there next door to the factories, to source for customers N95 NIOSH certified masks, as well as KN95 masks, as well as what we have here on the ground to ship immediately.
All individually packaged inside the box. 100,000 right here.
I'm going to show that close up.
Look, just individually, each mask is individually packaged.
Right.
Inside the box.
Yeah.
Each inner case right here, individually packaged.
Leland Hardy brings to you live July 18, 2020. Once again, Leland Hardy here in an undisclosed location. We have substantial warehouse capacity. We have logistics, fulfillment, service, warranty, repair of ventilators, direct manufacturer distribution relationships in the United States for the United States, as well as in China for the United States.
Each one of these E30s that are specifically manufactured for COVID-19 patients, all those units still come with a 2-year warranty back straight from the manufacturer.
Beautiful. So like I said, for the end user, hospital, city, state, municipality customers who are interested in any manner of PPE or ventilators themselves, ventilators or ventilator supplies, repairs, maintenance, we have that, and we have it at competitive prices, and more importantly with very credible customer service, guarantee of delivery, and this is what we're doing here.